Yeah, I'm Eddie the bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartenderteas.com, here to demonstrate how to make a whiskey sour. Now take your glass. This is pretty straightforward drink. Whiskey sour, whiskey sweet and sour, right? That's it. That's all that goes in there. From what I've learned, this was created from sailors way back when who drank whiskey with citrus to prevent scurvy. And also, August 25th is Whiskey Sour Day, so don't forget to celebrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, we got our whiskey, we got our sour, we'll pop in a cherry. Oh, there we go, let go of that bad boy. And we'll do a couple straws. And that's it, a whiskey sour. Again, I'm Eddie the bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartenderteas.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like what I'm wearing, head over to bartenderteas.com. We carry a full line of t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, and hats, all with bartender themes. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.